Hi, I'm Deb Smallwood, founder of Strategy Meets Action, and I'm joined today with Mark Brading, a partner with Strategy Meets Action. We're really excited because today we're going to be sharing with you some of our latest updates to our advisory service. What we're really excited about is we've significantly enhanced capabilities, and this is really going to help you accelerate your transformational journey. So let me turn it over to Mark, who's going to set the context in terms of our service. Mark, all yours.
Thanks, Deb. This is really a time of change in the world at large, and certainly in the P&C insurance industry. There's so many forces at work here that are reshaping P&C insurance, and it presents a lot of opportunities for P&C companies, but also a lot of challenges as well. All of the market dynamics and economics, the labor shortages, great resignation, the whole talent and workforce shifts, the technologies and the digital world we're coming into. And all of this has changed patterns of individuals and businesses, changed the risk landscape, changed the expectations. And so there's a lot of transformation underway in the industry, and we're here to help you to think that through and capitalize on it. And at SMA, we really are the only firm that offers insights throughout the entire P&C ecosystem. As part of the Resource Pro family now, not only do we do research and activities from a carrier viewpoint through the carrier lens, but we're also looking at distributors, retail agencies and brokers and MGAs, wholesalers, and understanding their strategies and their technology plans. And then all of these distribution tech intermediaries that are connecting distributors to carriers. We've extensively worked with companies in that space. And then finally, tech vendors and insurtech. So really the entire ecosystem across all lines of business of P&C. And we really focus on the core elements of the P&C business: distribution, underwriting, policy servicing and billing, claims, and now we're focusing a lot on talent in the workforce because that affects all of those different areas. So let me just talk a little bit about the scope and delivery of our research and our IP. As I mentioned, distribution, underwriting, policy servicing, billing, and claims. We focus both on core technologies and transformational technologies. The foundational technologies like core systems, policy billing claim systems, CRM, business intelligence systems. We're very strong there and helping companies think through the right strategies and the right partners there. But we've also spent a lot of time in research and in use cases and thinking about these transformational technologies like AI and the IoT, wearables, those kinds of things as well. So the way we think about this is if you look at the left-hand side, we provide transformational insights and research from a strategic insight standpoint to drive and help your strategic planning. We look at adoption and maturity to understand what's really happening in the industry, who's doing what, how far along is the industry, what are some specific insurer use cases for different technologies, for different business areas, different business models, and then the vendor landscape as well. What does the entire tech vendor landscape look like? And we deliver the services through research notes. We publish around 25 research reports a year, strategy workshops, executive ready presentations, webinars and videos, on all of these things, either delivered digitally, virtually, or can be on site as well. So I'm going to turn it back to Deb to talk about our team and the way that we provide offerings.
Thank you, Mark. So our advisory, our retainer, is from the outside in, it may just look like a typical set of capabilities out there: strategy sessions, formal presentations, access to research. But this is how what we package is different. Our strategy sessions, they're really built to really help create some forward thinking. And the way our clients engage that is either through workshops. We do 2030 scenario planning. We can do digital transformation sessions as well, but we tailor it to what your company needs, and they're high-powered sessions that we have been able to do virtually through the pandemic, and now we're going back to on-site visits. Formal presentations and discussion, this is where we take our research and our insights, and we really in real time interact with you. Up to 4 deep dive presentations. These are executive ready, built for business executives, technology leaders, and operational leadership to really understand some of the market trends or topics. So for example, it could be on the distribution changes, and we showcase our research, and we also have our insights, strategic insights in that big thinking. So it could be on distribution, underwriting, claims transformation. It could be on core systems, whatever your needs are. You have access to our partners. We'll show you our partners. We go wide and deep because ultimately it's an ongoing relationship. For example, just even today, Mark and I had our quarterly meeting with the president and executive strategy officer and risk manager, just having conversations around changes or trends or problems that they're trying to solve. So ultimately, just keeping that dialogue going. We've got a wealth of knowledge between our research and our years of experience, and it's that ongoing dialogue. And last is our knowledge and research libraries. Like many analyst firms and advisory firms, we have a repository of research, as Mark talked about, not only for carriers, but unlike everyone else, it is the distributors. We are now pulling in our surveys agents, brokers, wholesalers, MGAs, and starting to really see where the alignment and the gaps are between the whole ecosystem of our industry. So pretty excited about that. And who are our clients and what are our clients saying about us? What's really fascinating is 50% of our clients are business executives. Depending on the size of the organization or the structure, it may be a CEO, a COO, head of strategy, innovation officer. We're now starting to work with digital officers and customer experience officers. So business executives, we even have some relationships directly with chief claims officers and chief underwriting officers. And you can see how our research is really between business and technology we bridge. The other 50% of our clients are CIOs, and we help the CIOs with their IT strategies, but we really help equip them to work with the business and bridge that gap to the business to bring the business along on the transformational journey. Our clients talk about us being different as a strategic advisor, right? We're part research, but we're really part consultant, part strategy officer. And on the flip side, what we're really good at in those deep dive sessions and in those strategy sessions is really facilitating meaningful, big thinking conversations and bringing it down to pragmatic advice. Our team, we've got 4, I'll include myself, but we have 4 very seasoned partners with over 25 years each in the insurance industry. Myself, I grew up at a large P&C carrier, and for the last 15 years have been a consultant. I love digital. I love to get our clients to think big. Mark is our strategist, our technology expert. He's been tracking the insurtechs and transformational technology and just the whole transformation of insurance for many, many years. Karen Furtado is our core system expert. She grew up on the vendor side selling core system technology and rating, and now she advises our clients around that core system and technology landscape. And Tom is part of our new addition to our family. He's an ex-CIO, and he brings that technology deep and wide, and also the technology and the vendor landscape as well. So really seasoned partner. We have a whole team underneath that supports us in terms of the generation of our research and our relationships. And last is, if you're interested in any conversations or just learning more about us, Kevin Saunders is your guy. Here's his email and his phone number. Look forward to catching up with you, and we'd love to be part of your transformational journey. Thank you.